Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do, hold on, let me turn down Kyle's little tablet because he ain't here with me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little get ready with me or whatever. And it's really gonna be quick, you know. I'm going to meet my mom because she gotta give me something. And I gotta give her something. So we just gonna meet up. Y'all, I'm taking this tissue. Y'all, look at this. Kyle. He done pull all this tissue down. So the lashes that I'm going to use, they will be on my site for sale. I will either post a picture of it or, you know, I'll post a link to it below so that you guys can see. Yeah, when this wig is curled, it is bomb. Okay, it's bomb. Okay, I need some lip gloss. Alright, so I'm gonna do this real quick. It's on 450. You know what? I'm not even gonna recurl the whole wig because that looks nice. I'm just gonna do this right here and this in front of my face. Just what frames my face. Because I don't have enough time anyway to do all of it. So.
Hello, everyone.
You got something here. Just
oh my goodness, this, that, and the other. Look at my little soap.
yeah.
What's up?
Okay, y'all. So now that I have my hair curled, I'm just gonna wipe this off. What you looking at me for?
How long you got to go?
I don't have long.
Goodness. All right. I want to cry for it.
Put on his clothes. Alright, y'all. So I'm done with my hair. I just gotta throw on some liner, some eyeliner, and then we're gonna get ready to go. Alright, y'all, this is it. The perfect day to bob it on out. My lashes, cute, cute, cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you later.